All right, so as I was traveling this weekend on the Florida Turnpike, I noticed a overstressed minivan in front of me with not one, not two, but three completely flat tires. And it kind of came to my mind how someone could be so oblivious that their tires are completely flat. So here's a couple tips that you may want to keep in mind to make sure that your tires are properly inflated. Now, everybody always is wondering, how much air do I put in the tires at Wawa? In every car on the driver's side, it's going to give you a chart. It's pretty easy to read, and it will tell you how many PSI, which is pounds of pressure, each tire needs. When you're filling up your tires, you're also going to want to make sure you inspect your tires. Guys, make sure that there's no nails sticking out, and make sure that you do actually have some tread on the tires. Now, if it's an older car that you haven't driven in a while, you're also going to want to be aware that there's no cracking on the tires that can cause a tire to explode. These simple steps to keep in mind before you get on the road so you don't have tire problems on the highway.